there, Ariana from Crafting Happiness here. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet the moss stitch. And for this tutorial, I have made two samples, one in a single color, so you can see the texture, and it's double-sided. And then one sample in two colors for you to see how the pattern looks like if you choose to make this moss stitch in two or more colors. And I've changed it every 2 rows and carried the yarn along the side, and this is the end result. So let's get started. For this tutorial I am using a run yarn and a 5mm crochet hook, and you can use any yarn, of course, with a matching hook. The pattern requires you to chain an even number of chains. I have in my starting chains 28. So let's start with the first row, and we will be single crocheting in the 4th chain from the hook. So counting backwards into the 4th chain, make a single crochet. Then we chain 1, skip the next chain, and into the following chain we make a single crochet. And this is your repeat section right here. Chain 1, skip 1, and single crochet, and we repeat this until the end of the row. So let me show you one more repeat. Chain 1, skip 1 chain, and then into the next chain we make a single crochet. And then again, chain 1, skip 1 chain, and into the following chain a single crochet. And repeat this until the end of the chain. And this is your first row. Now we chain 2, and we turn and we start our second row. And we will be, from this point on, crocheting into those chain 1 spaces we have made in the previous row. So now we are going to make a single crochet into the very first chain 1 space, then chain 1, skip all the stitches all the way to the next chain 1 space, and make a single crochet. And this is your repeat section. Chain 1, skip the single crochet, and make a single crochet into that chain 1 space. And we repeat this all the way to the end of the row. I am almost done with my second row, but I wanted to show you right here at the end how to make your last single crochet. So chain 1, skip that single crochet, and remember you skipped 4 chains right at the beginning. You will have to insert your hook in that space between the last single crochet and those chains you've skipped, and make your single crochet. So don't miss, it's very important that you don't miss that last space right there at the end. And this is your second row. So like I said at the beginning, this is a really simple pattern. It's 1 row repeat. Basically we are going to repeat from now on this second row over and over. So let me show you again really quickly how you continue. So we chain 2 and we turn, and then we are going to single crochet into that chain 1 space right there. So make a single crochet in there, and again your repeat section is chain 1, skip the single crochet, make a single crochet in a chain 1 space. You don't even have to count your stitches, just chain 1 and single crochet in between the single crochet from the previous row. And this is how you make the moss stitch. And when you make enough rows, this is how it will look like. You can see here how the single crochet stitches are made in between the previous single crochet stitches, so in between in that chain 1 space. And it's that simple. This is how you crochet the moss stitch. I hope my tutorial was easy to follow. If you have any questions about this pattern, please put it in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to help you and answer them. Happy crocheting!